Hello, students. I welcome you all to today's amazing session. This is Aarti Pillai, your English teacher, and today we are going to discuss a new chapter. And we can say that this one is the last chapter. Okay. So, students, the title of the chapter is "Who Will Be Nithu?" Let's see what's written over here. A king is called a Nithu, and a queen is called a Lima. Okay, in Manipur, right? And this is a story from Manipur about what qualities make a good ruler. Okay, let's see what qualities a ruler should have. Let's see, students, what we are going to do in this chapter. Exactly, we are going to read the chapter line by line. We are going to underline the difficult words and we will come to know the meanings. So, a lot to know, a lot to discuss. Shall I start? Okay. Long, long ago, in the land of Kanglipak in Manipur, okay, there lived a Nitu and a Lima. They were loved dearly by the people. That means, as I told you, students, Nitu is called a king and Lima is called a queen in Manipur, and the place name is Kanglipak. Okay, Kanglipak. Okay, and लोग जो वहाँ के थे वो उन राजा और रानी दोनों को बहुत बहुत चाहते थे. ओके, why the people loved them? There is some reason behind. Okay, the Nitu and Lima on their part never stop thinking about their Miam. Miam students, their people. Okay, our Miam should be happy, they said. That means why the people love them, do you know? Why the people loved them? Just because they were taking care of them. Okay, they felt कि उनके जो पीपल हैं वो हैप्पी रहे, हैप्पीली सर्वाइव करे. सो दैट्स वाई द पीपल ऑल्सो taking care, or the people also loved their king and queen. Getting me? The people were not the only one who loved their Nithu and Lima. The birds and animal too loved them. The Nithu and Lima always said everybody in Kaglipak should live in peace. Not only the people, but the birds, animals, and trees. Students, just now I told you, मैंने अभी बोला कि लोग वहाँ के लोग राजा और रानी को बहुत पसंद करते थे, बहुत चाहते थे. But not only the people, the animals and birds, they also loved नीतू एंड लीमा. क्यों पता है? क्योंकि वो उनको बहुत प्यार से रखते थे. उनका ऐसा मानना था कि सब पीसफुली रहे. ओके, देयर बिलव्ड किंग एंड क्वीन हैड 3 सन्स. और इनके जो इन पीपल के किंग और क्वीन के तीन तीन चिल्ड्रन थे. 3 चिल्ड्रन दे वर हैविंग, एंड वर देयर नेम्स वर सानाजोबा. ओके, सान्या, let's see, Sanajoba, Sanyama, and Sanatoba. Sanajoba, Sanyama, and Sanatoba. See, difficult names. Okay, 12 years later a daughter was born. 12 साल बाद एक डॉटर भी बॉर्न होती है. ओके, एंड शी वॉज नेम्ड सानातोबी. और उनका नाम क्या रखा गया? सानातोबी. शी वॉज अ lovely child, soft and beautiful inside. Getting me? She was a lovely child, beautiful, kind hearted. Okay, she was loved by one and all. And friends, Sanatobi was loved by everyone. Okay, the year went by as the we can say that समय बीतता गया. क्या हुआ? Let's see. And the children grew up well. आप हमेशा एक जैसे रहोगे क्या? क्लास 1 में ही पढ़ते रहोगे? नो, नॉट एट ऑल. आप क्या होते जाओगे? प्रमोट होते जाओगे. यू विल बी प्रमोटेड. ओके, सो हियर साना तोबी भी और उनके बाकी 3 बच्चे. ओके, ये सब क्या हो गए? बड़े हो गए. एंड देन वन डे the Nitu called all his ministers and said, नीतू किंग ने अपने मिनिस्टर्स को बुलाया और उन्होंने कुछ कहा. लेट्स सी व्हाट ही सेड. इट इज नाउ टाइम टू डिसाइड द तुंगी नीतू द फ्यूचर किंग. और उन्होंने कहा कि फ्यूचर किंग बनाने का समय आ गया है, तुंगी. ओके. द मिनिस्टर्स वर शॉक्ड. They were shocked because they loved their king a lot. But Neetu, what is there to decide? Sanajoba, your eldest son will be our future king. और सानाजोबा को, क्योंकि एल्डेस्ट जो हम्म, बेटा होता है उसी को ही किंग बनाया जाता है, तो ये डिसाइड किया गया. व्हाट इज देयर टू डिसाइड? सानाजोबा, योर एल्डेस्ट सन विल बी आवर फ्यूचर किंग. वेल, द नीतू रिप्लाइड, दैट्स हाउ इट हैपन इन द ओल्ड डेज. उन्होंने कहा कि ये सारी चीज़ें ओल्ड डेज में हुआ करती थी. द एल्डेस्ट सन ऑलवेज बिकेम द किंग, बट times have changed, so let us select a king who is most worthy of becoming a king. पहले पुराने समय में होता था, जो बड़ा बेटा होता था उसी को ही किंग बना दिया जाता था. बट नाउ द टाइम चेंज. किंग सेड, नाउ आई हैव टू सी दैट who is most worthy of becoming a king. Right. Now let's move on to the next para. So now, students, we will have a contest to select the future king. The Lima said, and so in the land of Kanglipak, there was a contest, a horse race. Whoever reached the uh, Kong, Kongang, the banyan tree. See the difficult name, students. Kongnang. Okay. Kongnang, it's called banyan tree. Okay. First would be declared Tungi Nitu. ओके. सो द कॉन्टेस्ट वॉज, एक हॉर्स रेस कराया गया जिसमें जो वहाँ पे बेनियन ट्री के पास पहले पहुँचेगा, ओके, दैट पर्सन, दैट चाइल्ड विल बिकम द future king. Okay, but then a strange thing happened. Sanajoba, Sanyama, and Sanatoba, all three of them finished the race together. But the strange thing happened. क्या हुआ? They all these children, they reached uh, in this at the same time in that place. Okay, they were expert riders and all three reached the finish line at the same time. A strange thing. Okay, I guess they are very we can say that expert. Okay, now there was great excitement. Look at them, the people shouted. Mm, let's see. Shagol, Tauba, Rupa, Nupa, such fine horsemen. They were just praising their future king in their own language, we can say that. Okay, but one question remained: who would be the Tungi Nitu? Because all three princes, they reached at the same time, so the question arises. एक क्वेश्चन आया कि सब एक समय पहुंच गए तो किंग कौन बनेगा? Getting me? The Nitu and Lima turned to their sons, the Nitu and Sanajoba, Sanyama and Sanatumba. You have proved that you are fine horseman. उन्होंने कहा कि you have proved कि तुम तीनों बहुत fine horseman हो. Do something different, each one of you, so that we can decide who will be Tungi Nitu. Now they said कि they have to do something different so that they could select future king. Okay. Suddenly, Sanajoba mounted his horse and held his spear straight in front of him. He looked around. There was a hush among people. What is Sanajoba, the eldest, going to do? They thought to themselves. और उन्होंने देखा कि इंसाना जो था वो सडनली अपना स्पेयर दैट मीन्स अ काइंड ऑफ वेपन होता है. ओके, सो उसने क्या किया? उसने उठाया his horse and held his spear, okay, straight in front of him. और क्या किया उसने? He looked around, चारों तरफ देखा. There was a hush among people. The people were shocked. They were looking at him. Okay. Then what happened? क्या करने वाला है साना जोबा? Okay. Let's see.